Okay, so now we've built this network that isn't yet fully functional. The two-side networks are functional, and they can both talk to their routers, and the routers can talk to each other, but we can see that trying to ping from PC0 to PC2, the router 0 here is rejecting the packets because it doesn't know how to route. Before we get on to fixing that issue, I'm going to show the simulation mode, which can help find issues like this, find what's causing them. ICMP or ping has been quite useful here in telling us that the host network's unreachable and that our router is telling us that. But we'll use the simulation mode just in case we weren't getting messages like this back. I'm going to click simulation down here, and you'll see straight away if I click play, we already have messages flying around. These ones are going to get crossed out. What that was a CDP message, which is Cisco Discovery Protocol. You can see the other switch is doing it now. This is so if you have multiple Cisco devices like switches, access points, and routers, all connected to each other, they can discover each other automatically using the Cisco Discovery Protocol. While this is useful if you were debugging the CDP system, this is just wasted. We don't need to be seeing these packets, so we're going to come down to edit filters. For IPv4, we're going to turn off everything apart from ICMP. ICMP is the Internet Control Message Protocol. It's what ping is part of ICMP. The IPv6 we haven't configured, so we'll just leave everything on. We want to get rid of all of these. These you can see here, CDP, LLDP again is another discovery protocol. We're just going to go show all, show none, and then we're going to filter to just show ICMP. You'll see nothing's happening now. I can keep pressing. Eventually you might see something come through. Sometimes PCs will ping out to their default gateway to make sure the network's alive, but yeah, that's fine. We'll clear the event list. The events are still there, we're only filtering down what we can physically see. So we're going to send that ping again, and you'll see ping has frozen and a packet has appeared on PC0. We'll click the play button. We can see it's now gone to the switch. This is just a packet flow in any network, obviously. It's instant in a network normally. See, here is where the packet's being dropped, which means it's not getting any further. The router's just sent a message back, which is the ICMP reply, and we'll see once that packet hits our computer, we get the destination host unreachable message. So the simulation mode is very useful in Packet Tracer. This obviously isn't something you get when you're testing the physical equipment. This is just part of Packet Tracer, and it's why Packet Tracer has its name. We see it's trying again now. That's why the ping command does it. Will send 4 by default. We'll cancel it. There's no point in letting it run any longer, and we'll go back to real time. So that's the simulation mode. We'll come back to it once we've got the network working.